In this video, I'll show you how to use audio eraser on Samsung Galaxy S26 series, S26 Plus, S26 Ultra, any of the S26 series. So let's say you are watching a YouTube video and there is background noise in it, or Netflix. So you can use the audio eraser to reduce the noise. Okay, so let me take you to YouTube. I found this, it does have background noise in it, so I will just play it a little bit so you can hear the background noise.
To cherish and to hold till death do you part. I do.
Now if you listened, you will notice that it does have background noise. So what I'll need to do is now to apply the audio eraser to it. So I'm going to go to the top and slide down. Now you notice we cannot find the audio eraser. That's because the video isn't playing. So I'm going to take it to the start and then play it.
To cherish.
Reduce that. Now slide down. Now you can see at the top that is audio eraser. Tap on it and here is turned off, so I'll tap there to turn it on, and here is the strength, so I'll just take it to the strongest and tap this. So what this does is the voice focus, it focuses on the voice and reduces any background noise or music. So I'm going to tap that. Done. Now go back to the video, okay, and start it all over again, and let's play. So I'll increase the audio now.
Till death do you part. I do.
This is good. Did you hear that? The sound has really reduced because we have just applied or enabled the audio eraser. Okay, so I'm gonna take it back and play it so you can hear.
Death do you part. I do.
This is really great. So you can go ahead and enjoy your movies on YouTube or Netflix. If it does have background noise, apply the audio eraser that comes with the S26 series. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, drop me a comment, and I'll see you in the next video for more tech tips like this.